Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add like your own background to your videos when you are on cam on Discord. So go to user settings and go to voice and video, scroll down and select the background that you want to choose. I have a few that I already have like added and I want to add more, so I'm just going to select upload your own custom backgrounds with Nitro, and you're just going to select either GIF or upload image or video. To use it, you are going to select the background, and when you're on cam, I'll just quickly show you. Just select turn on camera. I'm not going to turn it on completely, but it's going to kind of show the picture. It will be mirrored though, so hopefully you mirror that picture first before you do that. And that's pretty much it. You do have to have like Nitro for this, unfortunately, but hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.